In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Paybis with a debit card. Now, the first thing you want to do, you can use the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to come to the official Paybis website, and then from there, you first have to create your account to get access to your member area. Now, if you don't know how to create your account, I have a video on that as well on my channel, so make sure you watch that first. And then after you've done that, you can come back here. So to actually buy Bitcoin with debit card, go ahead and click on the buy button, and the first thing you want to do here is where it says you spend, and it says basically whatever currency and then whatever payment method. You want to click here, and you want to click the first one which says credit/debit card. So click on that, and then you want to type in how much you'd like to spend. So let's say you want to buy 100 euros worth of Bitcoin. And by the way, you can also set your currency over here in case you're not using euros. Here you can enter in a promo code in case you have one, which I currently do not. And down here, you have to select Bitcoin as your crypto. Okay, so just click over here, select Bitcoin, and you'll be able to see how much you get for the amount you're trying to spend. Okay, so after you do that, after everything is set up, click on Buy Bitcoin. And then from here, on the next site here, you'll be able to see that you can select either Paybis wallet. So if you want to buy Bitcoin and the Bitcoin gets deposited into your wallet up here, into your Paybis wallet, you can select this, or you can also select an external wallet. Now, what this can do is it will basically send crypto to another wallet, which is not Paybis. Okay, so let's say you're using Phantom or something like that. I'm going to just showcase this with Phantom over here, so you can see how this looks. So basically you can use like Phantom, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Solarflare, whatever you want to use, and you can just go ahead and find Bitcoin in there and then click on the receive button and then copy your wallet address, paste it in here, and then you'll be able to basically receive it to that address, or you can just scan the QR code with your app you can get over here. Okay, now then after this, press continue, and then you have to add in your debit card. So if you have your debit card already linked to Google Pay, you can just go ahead and click on GPay over here and pay with that, or you can go ahead and click new card, enter in all your card details over here on the list, just type all of that in there, and after you do it, click on pay. You have to go through a quick verification check, and then you can review your payment and then pay, and therefore your Bitcoin will arrive to your address, either the wallet on here on Paybis or your external wallet, within just a few minutes. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.